Hey, have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth were to be swallowed by a black hole? Stick around because we're diving into the mind-bending world of black holes and exploring the catastrophic scenario of our planet meeting its cosmic demise. So, what are black holes exactly? Well, they're regions in space where the gravitational pull is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. Imagine a bottomless pit in the fabric of the universe, sucking everything in with its immense gravitational force. Now, picture this: Earth drifting dangerously close to a black hole. The sheer power of its gravitational pull would spell disaster for our planet. The intense forces at play would wreak havoc on everything we know, leading to a cataclysmic event of epic proportions. One of the most terrifying consequences of Earth's encounter with a black hole is spaghettification. This bizarre phenomenon occurs when the tidal forces of the black hole stretch and distort our planet and everything on it into long, thin spaghetti-like strands. It's a gruesome fate that no one would wish upon any celestial body. As Earth crosses the event horizon of the black hole, it reaches the point of no return. At this critical juncture, our planet is inexorably pulled into the black hole, spiraling towards its inevitable doom. The once vibrant and thriving Earth is now at the mercy of the unfathomable forces of the cosmic giant. In the end, the fate of Earth being swallowed by a black hole is nothing short of catastrophic. The destructive power of these cosmic phenomena is truly awe-inspiring and serves as a stark reminder of the immense forces at play in the universe. It's a chilling reminder of the fragility of our existence and the vastness of space. If you found this exploration of the hypothetical scenario intriguing, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending space-related content. Join us on this journey through the wonders and terrors of the cosmos.